If you're thinking that you can watch your own YouTube videos and it will help you in getting more watch time, then you might be true, but the real question arises is, what's the purpose behind doing this? I mean, you can't get the views anyhow. YouTube is a platform that you can use to promote your brand, make money, and be good on the platform. So here the problem isn't the monetization. The issue is the finding the audience. Let us consider that your YouTube channel is monetized. Now what? YouTube pays you only for getting viewers, and you get paid when viewers on your channel watch ads displayed. This is where you and YouTube makes money. If you aren't getting views and your channel is monetized, then it has no purpose at all. In order to remain in the YouTube partner program, you have to make sure that your total public watch hours never goes down 4,000 hours. Even if your channel is monetized through watching your own videos, you will lose your YouTube partnership. After less than a few months, the basic goal is to get viewership and make your YouTube channel a brand, as well as showing ads and make money through other ways. Instead, go with the right way of YouTube monetization. Learn things that could help you in getting more viewers on YouTube. Videos like learning YouTube SEO, build a Facebook group about the niche of your interest, and make the Quora space as Quora will promote your space in front of the right type of audience. If I were you, here what I will do in order to get 4,000 hours and 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. First of all, I will learn SEO. It will help you in a long way. You will get more viewers, subscribers, build a brand, and be surer about the type of content you produce. Second is, I will try to learn the videos which I edit and research of my videos. Your videos first 2 minutes should be a gold mine. It should be a best part of your videos. It is where your viewer will hook up and will watch the whole video altogether. For this, you have to learn some parts of the editing. You can learn editing for free on YouTube. Third is making a blog. If you are serious about YouTube, you should have a blog. In a blog, you can write about the topic of your latest video and embed your video. This will help you in two ways. First, it will help you in getting more views, and at second, it is good for video search engine optimization, that is SEO. So can you watch your own YouTube videos for getting 4,000 hours? Partially yes, but as I said, it's not a value at all. That it won't give you money. At last you will look for viewers. So YouTube is a powerful platform. You can promote your videos in many ways. And if you make a great video, YouTube will promote it across the platform. And you may end up making thousands of dollars. And just one video could change your life. So put more efforts into making a video and you will get more views, subscribers and watch time.